Hi guys, English shorten 120 words per minute. தமிழக சட்டப்பேரவை நூற்றாண்டு விழா Century Year of Tamil Nadu State Legislature Dictation 120 words per minute. Start. The Madras Legislative Council was the largest gathering of its kind in India, constituted with 127 members in 1921, which included a total of 98 elected representatives who were given a fixed term of 3 years to work for the people. In the pre-independent era, the elected body would meet at Fort St. George regularly to carry out their public duties. It was inaugurated by Prince Arthur and uncle of George V. Emperor of England on January 12, 1921. The state legislature origin and evaluation. Fort St. George was historically known as White Town and was the first British fortress constructed in India. It was founded 382 years ago in 1639 in Madras before its change in nomenclature to Chennai. The construction of the fort acted as an anchor for further settlements and trading activity in what was originally an uninhabited land. As trading flourished, the city evolved around the fortress. The fort currently houses the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly and other official buildings. The Legislative Assembly is seated at the Fort St. George, Chennai. Fort St. George was historically been the seat of the government of Tamil Nadu since colonial times. During 1921-37, the precursor to the Assembly, Madras Legislative Council meet at the council chambers within the fort between 14th July 1937 21st December 1938. The Assembly met at the Senate House of the University of Madras and between 27th January 1938 26th October 1939 in the Banqueting Hall, later renamed as Rajaji Hall, in the government estate complex at Mount Road. During 1946-52, it moved back to the Fort St. George. In 1952, the strength of the Assembly rose to 375 after the constitution of the first Assembly, and it was briefly moved into temporary premises at the government estate complex. This move was made in March 1952 as the existing Assembly building only had a seating capacity of 260. Then on 3rd May 1952, it moved into the newly constructed Assembly building in the same complex. The Assembly functioned from the new buildings, later renamed as Kalaivanar Arangam, during 1952-56. However, with the reorganization of states and formation of Andhra, the strength came down to 190 and the Assembly moved back to the Fort St. George. In 1956, from December 1956 till January 2010, the fort remained the home to the Assembly. In 2004, during the 12th Assembly, the AIADMK government under J. Jayalalitha made unsuccessful attempts to shift the Assembly first to the location of Queen Mary's College and later to the Anna University campus, Gindi. Both attempts were withdrawn after public opposition. During the 13th Assembly, the DMK government led by M. Karunanidhi proposed a new plan to shift the Assembly and the government secretariat to a new building in the Omandur government estate. In 2007, the German architectural firm GMP International won the design competition to design and construct the new assembly complex. Construction began in 2008 and was completed in 2010. The new assembly building was opened and the assembly started functioning in it from March 2010. After AIADMK victory in the 2011 elections, the assembly shifted back to Fort St. George. Stop.